I've been getting questions on my hairless skin, and I'm here to talk about how I reduce almost all of my hair growth, around 90%. Some hair still grows, but they're thin, kind of like a peach fuzz, and are barely visible. Here's what I did and used. Today, I'm here to talk about my DIY at-home hair removal experience with SmoothSkin PureFit IPL device. I was looking forward to try this and have been using this for weeks now. As I'm sure many of you can relate, I used to go through different hair removal procedures to keep myself hair-free. What really convinced me to never go back to my old hair removal methods is how IPL gave me the results I wanted with lesser inconveniences. I felt lesser to none ingrown hairs, shaving bumps, and I've experienced no pain or burns. I've tried hair removal creams and shaving, but my hair always grows so fast after a few days and it gets a bit itchy and uncomfortable. I also went to a few laser hair removal sessions, but I couldn't keep up with it because it requires multiple sessions to keep you hair free and it's more expensive, especially since my hair is quite thick and it would take more sessions to treat. So for me, having tried SmoothSkin PureFit IPL device was practical and easier switch to make. It's more convenient and saves me more money. IPL intense pulse light that works to target a wide area of your skin to reduce hair growth on the skin. It uses heat from the light to break the hair growth cycle and prevent hair from growing back. In the box, you'll get the IPL hair removal device, precision head, charging cord, and the manual to keep you get started with the product. Use it on clean, shaven, and dry skin. Then you choose the mode, head, and intensity you want. You can start with the lowest setting to test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Starting with the lowest setting and do a test patch on a small area. If you do not experience any bad reaction after the patch test, you can proceed with the treatment on the area you want to laser. For me, I use it on my upper lip, arms, and legs. Sometimes I use it on my underarm to help maintain since I got my underarms laser treated. After the hair growth slowed, I used it every 2 months or so to maintain my hair-free underarms. The first time I tried it, it felt like a heating sensation on my skin that wasn't painful at all. But as you go, you definitely get used to it and you won't feel anything. I definitely didn't get burned since it has a built-in cooling system and skin tone sensors which deliver optimal output based on skin tone. But all in all, it's safe and painless. It doesn't hurt at all. This has been a part of my body care routine now and I do it once a week. This was my hair before, a bit thick and long, and this is what it looks like after a few weeks now. Less visible, non-existent hair on my arms and legs. It also helped remove my ingrown hairs and it lessened the hair growth. Some of them still grows back, but it's thinner. I didn't experience any irritation on my skin and it left my skin feeling and looking smoother. No razor bumps too. There's a learning curve for this, but it's easy to use, the results are precise, and again, it's safe and painless. If you want to improve on defects and get a more accurate hair-free result, make sure to exfoliate the area before your treatment. Don't forget to moisturize the treated area afterwards. Lastly, you need to use the device once a week for 12 weeks, but you can immediately see the visible difference in just 2 weeks. I'm gonna try this on my bikini line next. I definitely recommend that you try this out, so make sure to click the link in the description to get yours today. This was another episode of our TTL series. We'll see you guys again. Bye!